so excited to teach you guys this makeup tutorial that I did. As you can see, I have some extensions in. They're just some clip-ons or clip-ins that I got. I ordered online. I'm actually really surprised they matched because I wung it when I ordered them, and it's actually missing a set. I should have 2 sets and only 1 came. So I made do with what I had and I love them. I will put a link in the description for those. They're by Hair Couture. They are 100% real human hair. But I'm going to teach you this beautiful eye look. I'm calling this the Aruba Sunset. I just spent a few days in Aruba with Limelife for an incentive trip, and I cannot tell you how amazing that area is. If you have not been to Aruba, I highly suggest that you visit there. I will also put a link in the comment to the place that we stayed at. It was absolutely beautiful. It was a long flight, but this eye look was inspired by the beautiful sunsets that they have in Aruba. So I hope you guys enjoy this look. Please subscribe, and if you see anything you like, there will be some links in the comments.
Okay, so to start off, I am going to use the Limelight sunscreen. This is not yet available. It was a treat that we were given in Aruba to test out. It should be available in the summer. I just take 2 small pumps and rub it all over my face, and it makes a really great primer as well. Next, I'm going to go in with the First Face Makeup Primer and just give a light spritz all over my face. And I'm using the Sonia Kashuk flat foundation brush and Shinto 2 Botanical Foundation. Yes, it is a little bit dirty on the container, but that's what happens when you use it every day. And I just put that all over my face, blending down the neck. My face is much paler than the rest of my body from wearing sunscreen on my face. Next, I'm going to go in with the blush brush and apply our Perfect Bronzer. I like to use this kind of like a contour. It's my Lazy Girl contour. Put it on the forehead, under the neck, and right down the sides of the nose. And then I'm going to use blush number 4. It's my absolute favorite. It's kind of like a rose gold shimmer, and I just put that on the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to go in with a Lottie Dazzle palette and use the orange and the salmon colors and put that in my transition and down on the lid a little bit. Zoom in so you can see a little better. And do the other eye. You don't have to be perfect. We're going to blend it all together after we get the other colors on. I'm then going to take the Lottie Dream On palette and use that really pretty blue shimmer shade and pat that on the lid with the large shadow brush. And I go just under the eye with that. Then I'm going to take my domed blender and just blend out any harsh lines that there might be. Then I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill palette. My palette didn't come with a color card, so I cannot tell you what color that is, but I'm going to use that just under the brow as a highlight. Then I'm going to use my Morphe M432 and spritz it with some 10 Years Younger finishing spray and make an eyeliner out of the darkest shade in the Morphe palette. Again, I don't know what shade it is. I'm just going to stitch that on the lash line. And just under the lashes. And then I'm going to clean up with a little concealer and a buffer brush. I'm going to go back in with the orange and salmon colors and just go under the eye to soften that area. Now we're going to work on the brows. For my eyebrows, I use a brow tamer brush and I spritz it with our 10 Years Younger finishing spray. And then I dip it in the eyeshadow of my choice. I typically use Taupe for the Best Perfect Eyeshadow because that's what matches best with my brows. I find the Brow Tamer is really precise and gives you a natural finish for your brow. Next I'm going to go in with my Peace lip gloss. It's my absolute favorite signature lip gloss. It is not sticky at all. And then I'm going to go in with my Perfect Mascara. I am going to apply lashes, but I always like to go in with mascara first. So let's move on to lashes. I'm going to use the Sonia Kashuk lashes. I got this box at Target on clearance. They're not my favorite lashes, but they were cheap, so that's what I'm using. And I typically like to use the Duo Latex Free Glue, but I didn't have that handy today. My cat's up in my lap, and I got my You Are Amazing Ricky mirror. Can you tell my cat is very needy? So needy. So that's one lash, and we're going to do the same and apply the other lash. That's Cupcake. Apply the other lash. I always like to flex them a little bit to make them more contoured for my eye. I put just a little glue on the strip, let it dry and get tacky for just a few seconds, and then apply to the lash line. And then I'm going to take our 10 Years finishing spray, 10 Years Younger finishing spray, and spritz all over my face to set my look. Thanks for watching.